I would just write 3.
My mom.
All right, first one. I underlined all three. They're all like terms. 7 minus 5 is 2 plus 1.
My parents
3x. Second one. These two are like terms. Even though the letters are written in a different way, you have the same variable with the same exponents in each. So you have 5 of them and you minus 8. Where would you end up on your number line? Negative 3. Some people take the time to rewrite it in alphabetical order, and then it's really easy to see that they're like terms. Third one, this is a y, this is also a y, this is also a y, this one also has a y. All 4 of those are like terms. 1y plus 1y plus 1y plus 3 y's.
6y.
You will have 6 y's. Indeed. That one has a B. This one has a B. This is just a number. I'll circle that one. This is just a number. I'll circle that one. Sometimes if you label your like terms like this early, then it's easy to see what you need to put together. If you have color, like you can bring crayons and color code stuff, it's kind of fun. So where are you going to be on your number line if you're at 2b minus 5b? And this I find, like, I'm walking around and there's more mistakes than right answers when we get these integers. Okay? When you have 2b minus 5b, here are your options. Here's 0, here's 1, here's 2.
It's negative 3.
Yeah, it'll be negative 3. But if I have 2b minus 5b, that means I'm starting at 2, and I am going, subtraction is to the left, minus 5. So I have to think, where am I going to end up? Negative 3. Okay?
Say less.
So I'm going to have negative 3, I'll do it on green, because I put the green underlined ones together. Negative 3b. Okay? You also have this as an option. I just want to show you a secondary option. Sometimes people don't like going 2b minus 5. You could also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, start at the minus 5. If I started at the minus 5, what do I have to do to it? I have to add 2. Adding 2 is going 2 to the right. What number would I end at? Negative 3 again. Oh, it's the same answer. So you can choose which one you start at with adding and subtracting. And sometimes starting at 1 might be easier mental math for you. But either way, you're going to end at minus 3. Whether you started at the minus 5 and added 2, or you start at the 2 and subtract 5. Then the circled ones in blue. If you started at the minus 3, so I'm going to highlight that. I'm starting here now, minus 3. And I add 1, that would be going this direction. Where am I going to end up? Negative 2. So this is our final answer. We can't put those together because those are not like terms. Once we're done with those. Once we check them. Okay?
But how'd you get negative 2?
So I was at minus 3.
Oh.
And then I added 1 to it, so I did in purple here. Minus 3, add 1. I think that's easier to see than starting at, you could have also started at the plus 1 and gone back 3.
Wait, I have a question.
Both of them will get you right here at minus 2.
What if like you wrote minus 3 plus 1 is like,
Minus 3 plus 1, it would be starting here.
I know, but like
Plus 1 is going 1 to the right.
what if you just wrote it out instead of reading it out?
But you don't have to show, this is what I would say. Eventually you want to have this in your head. You want to have your number line in your head and you'd be like, I know which way to go. Sometimes people are doing integer math in class and they're doing this.
But I'm confused. Are you saying that you just rewrote the two side by side?
Yeah.
No, you'd have to simplify
Yeah, you have to put your like terms together.
together.
Yes. So if you just wrote the minus 3 plus 1, it's not done yet until your like terms have been put together. Okay, good question. So here, I'm going to underline this x. I'm going to underline this plus 6x. Okay?
You just tell
And then in blue, I'm gonna circle the minus 3y, I'm gonna circle the plus y. Notice when I circle things and when I underline things, I include the sign in front to remind myself which way am I going. I'm adding or subtracting. What is easier mental math for you with the green ones? Is it easy to start at minus 1 and add 6? Or is it easier to start at 6 and subtract 1?
second option.
Start at 6, subtract 1, what are you going to get?
Negative 5x.
Positive 5x. What's easier for the blue ones? Is it easier to start at minus 3 and add 1? Or is it easier for you to start at 1 and go back 3? Subtract 3. Option 1, in this case, what are you going to end up with?
Yeah.
Yes?
Y no se supone que es un 7 porque el negativo x y como es más igual a más.
It's not going to be negative, it's going to be positive.
Oh.
Because you're starting at 6 and going back 1, or you're starting at minus 1 and going forward 6. And then the y's, starting at minus 3 and adding 1, you're going to end up at minus 2y. This one, these are not like terms. So the best you can do here is just rewrite it. That feels really awkward that you didn't have to do any math.
Wait,
We can't put anything together.
would the answer be
The answer is just what it was. It is already simplified.
the question?
The question is the answer.
They have no lectures that will be added or subtracted or times or
And our last one to do here. Negative 2x squared y. I'm going to underline that. Does that work with this one?
no.
No. Does it work with this one?
Yes.
Yes. I underline this one too.
Sí.
Okay. And you're on your number line. You're starting at minus 2. You are subtracting 4.
It's plus.
It won't be plus.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Think about your number line. Here's 0. You are starting at minus 2. That's our starting point. Subtract 4 means you're going back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number is there?
6.
Negative 6.
Oh.
And since there's no like terms with this one, we just rewrite it.